this is Ritu Baliya here, an engagement manager at Healthark Insights. This video is a quick preview or the summary of our latest release, which is Top 10 Health Technology Trends in 2022. COVID-19 has significantly transformed the way how industries operate and how they function, and we have seen that how these technologies have made significant impact on the ways today across industries, including healthcare. We have compiled this top 10 trends on basis of two main factors: their overall impact on the future of healthcare industry, and second, their adoption by the current healthcare stakeholders across the industry. In 2022, we witnessed that the big techs have penetrated more deeply into the healthcare arena. They have expanded across primary healthcare. They are entering into genomics and are experimenting across a wide variety of areas. But however, what we see in 2022, interestingly, is each of these big techs have carved a niche around themselves. For example, Amazon is more focused around increasing its physical presence in healthcare along with the virtual care element. Apple is expanding more into having an access to consumer data. It is still working around its Fitbit. Google, for instance, is still experimenting around a variety of areas, be it genomics with its Verily and foraying into other multiple small segments. And Microsoft, in a way, is more focused around developing an entire holistic cloud platform which provides the suite of entire solutions. Next, we saw digital therapeutics burst across 2022 with deepening collaborations, with improving regulatory procedures, with relaxing reimbursements, and with diversifying therapeutic areas. Today, a lot of big pharmas like Pfizer, Merck, they actively tied up with several digital therapeutic solutions in 2022. The area has also garnered regulatory support in form of CMS allowing for the coverage of prescription digital therapeutics in Medicare and Medicaid area. And we also see that digital therapeutics are now spanning across the therapy areas through their intensive pipeline activity. So the next technology trend is telehealth. Telehealth in 2022 in a way proved that it has established a permanent seat for itself in the healthcare delivery process. Interestingly, if we see for the outpatient visits, now telehealth consistently has more than 10% of outpatient visits in 2022, which was just 1% pre-pandemic. Today, telehealth has also witnessed adoption across several specialities. Earlier, it was more restricted to just primary care. Now, specialities like neurology, ophthalmology, all of them are getting a lot of traction in telehealth. Next trend is in form of metaverse. So metaverse is still an emerging area and emerging space, but interestingly, the people are in way for it, and they have started experimenting in this area. Like Goki collaborated with Animoca brands to form Health Metaverse. Emirate Health Service is coming up with a 3D based telemedicine solution which is based on metaverse technology. And in healthcare executives, the C-suite have a very positive opinion. Like 81% of executives believe that overall metaverse will have a very much positive impact on their organizations and in the industry overall. And around 50% of these executives do believe that this impact is going to be transformational or breakthrough. Next technology trend, again an emerging one, is in form of programmable world, which means programming of the entire physical world. Executives again have a lot of positive hopes and opinion from it. Like 94% of executives believe that the organizations will push the boundaries to allow for a seamless navigation between the virtual and the physical worlds, and programming the physical world is going to be a big differentiator in the industry overall in the coming future. There have also been instances of adoption of programmable world by Microsoft, NHS, and Johnson Control. Next trend is in the form of rising hyper-personalization and digital health experience. This in a way combine all the digital technologies, the data-driven predictive analytics, the genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, and the promising instances of this currently in the industry are the CRISPR engineering technology, the genomic sequencing, and there has been instances in the industry where Striker is kind of adopting it, and there is again a lot of wave and the positive news around this trend. So coming to next trend, surgical robotics, it grew rapidly in 2022. They have been expanding across indications. There have been a lot of collaborations coming up. For example, Medtronic's Hoover platform performed its first clinical procedure for the first time, and J&J's Monarch platform cleared FDA approval and gained the approval for the same. Apart from that, a lot of players are interestingly playing in this area, and it will be interesting to watch that how the adoption of surgical robots in the provider system is going to gain significant traction in the upcoming years, and how this will easily become the part of our healthcare ecosystem and the provider ecosystem. So the next trend is in the form of precision medicine. Precision medicine as an area has been in news for like a couple of years. But what interestingly happened in 2022 is precision medicine gained increased attention from the big techs. So like Amazon in the last quarter launched Amazon Omics for precision medicine. Google is doing a lot of partnerships around genomics area. Microsoft is collaborating with Sophia Genetics. So Healthtech's increasing interest towards precision medicine is another thing which is going to impact this area in the coming years, and it will we all will see that how innovation is going to take place at a faster pace. The another kind of stress point which came in the form of the digital funding. So digital funding in a way witnessed a kind of cliff in 2022. The funding almost shrank to half, so it reached to around some $15.3 billion in 2022, and in 2021 it was around $29 billion. So it shrank to almost 50%, and it was down in both volumes and value as well. And this also indicates that this is the tail end of the tunnel of the investment era, which was kind of boomed by COVID-19. So this could maybe the normal scenario or the normal investments which we could see in the future. I hope you all enjoy reading our top 10 trends, and as technology changes rapidly and a lot of things are coming up at fast pace, this is just the starting of what all can impact the patients and the providers and the entire healthcare ecosystem. And a lot of things might come up and evolve as the technologies evolve more, and we all will wait and see what is in store for the entire healthcare industry. I hope this trends will help our team of experts and our clients to jointly make right business decisions and be on the right side of these trends. And stay tuned with us for further such updates.